just. Yep. Sheesh. Oh.
So we're out here doing some competition prep. I got rid of a tensioner off my timing chain. Had to pull the valve cover up and just get rid of it because it was making some noise rattling. The good news is that the timing chain is fine and the timing is good. And just we're here, pulled the resonator, pulled the exhaust off, or it's actually still on, but we're gonna delete on it and use a nice clean pipe with the V-band on the end of it. This thing was way too low. It kept scraping and I could just not drive it. And it kept loosening all my bolts and it just leaking. So it's up here in the air. We're just getting some work done. Gonna look at what else we need done for comp. But yeah, Roman's down here installing a test pipe where the resonator was previously.
To a V-band.
Yeah, right directly to a V-band, which will connect to that pipe right there, the long one. That should go straight to the back and it should be nice. And recently also I had to tighten the manifold to turbo because it got loose. It got loose again. I don't know how many times it's happened already, but here's the little setup we got going to the test pipe.
Just got it tacked on for now.
Yeah, just tacked on. This V-band goes directly to that big pipe. Well, almost, yeah.
We'll figure something out.
Because it does have to curve a little by the drive shaft to get into its pocket. And yeah, we'll just install it. It's going to be a straight pipe to the back pretty much. We're going to probably on the end, like either one of these, yeah, and just do a turn down like this and just down and like do a flat cut. So all the sound resonates from underneath the car and it's pretty loud. That's all for comp, what we're planning. Oh! Trying to make it fit in the V-band?
Yeah, I just need to flatten it. Kind of worked.
It went in?
It worked.
That's crazy.
I think. Yeah, I think it worked.
Just kicked
I
it.
think it was already flat. I'm just tripping.
Couldn't get it in or something?
No, it was already in. I just thought it was because of the sides are gapped out a bit. Basically.
Also completely finessed these wheels off the Subi, which I'm going to put back on stocks.
It's looking like I'm going to need this in here and cut like right there.
Yeah. Is that for where the rest of the pipe will go?
Yeah, it's going to go like something like.
Yeah, it does
like
need to be.
this.
It does
needs
need to be
turn
bent.
the other way, yeah.
Exactly. That's kind of what it needs.
Something.
And then on the end, obviously, we'll just try to figure something out. One of these pipes will aim down.
We'll make it work.
Yeah, it'll sound nice. Hopefully. That's like my main thing. It just better sound nice but loud, so that you can actually hear it. Because it's completely silent right now. You can't hear anything.
In a stadium, especially when you got a LS S14 right next to you.
Yeah, this thing is just silent. You can barely just hear the little up on the front. And then me even just leaving, as soon as I go around the house, you can't hear the car anymore. It's just too quiet. It's nice for street, but this is not the street car.
Let's do it. Look at that. Sheesh. Out the hood for the, what's it called? Like this, you know?
Like a teardrop? Yeah.
Yeah, teardrop. That's the whole idea right here.
Yeah, this is for the piece on the end. This is the one I would love for you to TIG weld, because if it's visible, you know?
No, it's not. Buddy! Yeah.
And so that piece that he just cut will be on the end of this big pipe. And this big pipe will go right directly on to what I just installed. Not permanently, but just for mock-up. Right here. I installed it. And the V-band will be on that big metal pipe.
Look at that. It just takes me forever to ever get one right. Finally got one that looks good.
I mean, there's practice and experience involved. Boom. And that's the exit. This thing should be nice and loud.
We can honestly, if you...
No tape. Just
no,
a test or what?
No. Don't worry about the tape. This is.
Yeah, I don't know, because once you start saying we can honestly, I'm not sure about that.
This is just temporary, just to
hold it in place.
I'm saying.
Maybe what you're saying is get it to the back?
Yeah, it can't be 3-inch if it's this. If it's a turn down, one is not gonna do for the big ass hole.
It will not look good.
Yeah, it'll be fine down there.
just a little bit further past. This is all melted off from my old exhausts, but it should be back here, behind, like right above the axle. Yeah.
Oh, no, in front of the axle.
Yeah, and just straight down. That'll be nice and loud. This thing's gonna look stupid. This gaping hole in the bumper.
Bodywork, just fill it in.
I'm not gonna cook with it. Look at the body line, how separate it is.
Yeah, it's okay.
This one's way lower and this one's way higher. I need to just return it to KBD. They do.
The
lifetimes.
only good part of the KBD kit you painted that actually didn't crack.
The one where the exhaust is, right here?
The whole bumper never cracked.
Oh,
Nowhere.
yeah. Well, I never really touched on anything, or touched it in general.
No, let's get this done.
Let's do it. So what you doing here, buddy?
Setting up my TIG torch with a nice FUPA lens, so I can make some nice TIG welds. Or FUPA cups. Sorry.
Got the nice TIG welder, Oregon tank, and my pipe. Certified welder, Roman.
Something bad was gonna come out of my mouth. This is not the right cup for my TIG torch, but it works. If you just
What do you got going on here?
don't look at that.
Oh, my bad.
That's what happens when you forget your FUPA cup. Amazon special, at blood.
Ouch.
Are you looking at it?
Yes.
Why?
I didn't expect you to just go. You didn't have your stick there.
What stick? Oh, sorry about that.
Your left hand stick.
Yeah. It's a bit too much heat. It's melting. It's going down. But it's welding. You see the color difference? Orange and then bubbly gray. Gray is, that might rust basically. I just burned my glove.
It's not heat resistant?
It's heat resistant and it saved my finger from melting. Cover your eyes. What the hell? I just rolled it because of that.
You good?
I'm fine, but I'm pissed about that.
Oh, splatter?
No, what happened is my lens just stopped
Lensing?
lensing and it just blinded me. And then I lifted and then ruined the metal by getting the argon coverage off of it. There's the new exhaust. I'm not too happy with where it sits. But it's done. Turned down. Stainless. Okay, let's hear it then. Everything welded fully. It is gonna
I
rattle.
wanted to say it's not gonna stall.
You heard it rattle? I'm pissed about the rattle. Damn it.
You need to throw a hanger on it.
I need to just redo it, is what I need to do. much. All the dust from under the car blowing away. Sheesh.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it's got a note. Hear it from out here. I'm not gonna rev it too much.
Yeah. The AFRs aren't looking the best. That legit scared me. That's loud.
There we go.
That actually scared me. Hit me in the chest. Damn.
Drift car stuff.
There you go.
Now we can finally, yeah, let's feel it. Not bad.
No fireball? Mine just went shot.
You saw flame?
Huge flame.
Sheesh.
How'd you rev it?
I don't know. Here, let's try
Also,
it again.
it's revving nice. I'm okay, bro. That hurt.
I want to see some flames.
I don't know. It's a bit cold. Hold on.
It's alright.
It's cold.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it sounds good though. How'd you get it to shoot?
I don't know. Try again.
Did you rev high?
I don't remember. I was just aggressive on throttle. Kinda. I like how it sounds.
Yeah, the note is. Ooh, the note is there. Ooh.
Yes. Yep. Sheesh. And it idled. Let's go.
You hear the turbo?
Yep. Sounds like my TDI.
Yes. All right. The motor's jacked up in the air.
Yeah, it goes onto the exhaust.
I got these two brackets off.
Yeah, it goes
The
onto
transmission.
The exhaust,
And I pulled the oil pan because it was leaking. Here it is. Looks good. Couple metal shavings, nothing to worry about. And then
I'm working on it.
the nut that I snapped, Roman extracted it, threw some welds on it, and just used some vice grips. Got it out, the one that I snapped. And this was the leak all along, the culprit. So me taking the oil pan off could have been pointless, but also we kind of got this snap bolt out, so that's helpful. Had to drop the subframe a little, jack up the motor, got it out. Looks amazing under there. Everything is nice and shiny, rebuilt from Japan. Brand new water pump, brand new oil pickup, brand new everything on this motor. It's really nice. I honestly don't even know what the pistons look like. It's probably like overboard or something, like 0.25. Fresh pistons, everything. It looks so clean. This is my old oil pan, so it's not as clean as the motor. Anyways, we're just gonna throw some weld on this because I don't have a replacement, and it'll work. I'll be done with my leaks. This thing will be good to go.
Got that piece off.
Yeah,
Let's get it welded up.
yeah, lots of movement going on. I'm really happy how fast we're progressing with this. Then,
Fixing all of your mistakes.
yeah, pretty much.
I mean, this isn't your fault. The dipstick, this was the motor blowing up.
This is probably our old rod flying out of the motor and
We
hitting it.
always had some sort of leaks from somewhere, right?
Yeah,
Could've
remember our
been
JB weld not working?
Yeah, it could have been this right
It
here.
probably was.
Remember we were trying to seal the block?
Yeah, it was probably sealed.
It was the dipstick then.
Probably. And then I got this. I gotta replace the housing because this one has this little customized, what's it called, that we put in.
We just can't. We
Fitting.
couldn't get the old one out, Mark. You heard?
The old one?
We couldn't get the one that was on this motor. It had a plug in here, and we couldn't pull the plug out. Also, that needs to be plugged.
No, that has a sensor.
That has a sensor. Good.
Yeah.
It'll get plugged. Also, clean that up. Use some.
I will. Yeah, of course. Right now I'm gonna clean this up. And then I gotta pull the old one while the oil is all out and just replace it with this housing. Also, I'm gonna get an oil cooler later. So
As soon as we can.
basically, yeah, as soon as I get money, I'm gonna get an oil cooler and it goes on here as well. So this kind of feels like double work, but it is what it is.
Oh, start working.
Just throwing some welds on it.
Papaya,
As long as you don't weld right through. Good progress.